I'll turn it up a little bit. God damn. It's max. Dude, imagine people like 3 miles from here living in the middle of nowhere hearing this right now. They're losing their mind. They're losing their mind. Niagara River State Park. It's like a few miles that way. They're probably like, what, bro? What the hell is going on right now? That's imagine camping way back there, and you just hear all these random ass noise, and then you just get an ad for out. Imagine hearing Bigfoot calls while you're camping in the distance, dude. That's crazy. Then you just get an ad for Old Spice. Dude, it's scaring me, and I know it's the car. It's crazy. It's crazy sound. But being out here in the middle of nowhere, dude. Even playing it on your own car, it's giving me chills. I can't imagine hearing that for real. Let's see what ad plays. Let's see what plays next. Nothing? Okay. I was expecting an ad to just full blast.